Okay, hey everyone, it's Eric Miller with Econologics Financial Advisors. Today we're going to talk about why your financial plan is failing and what you can do to remedy that. So stay tuned. Okay, so look, I get it. 95% of financial plans that people are operating on are not working. And there are some very specific reasons for that. And funny enough, it has almost nothing to do with what the financial goals are that person has. Like most people have the goal that they want to be debt-free, or they have the goal that they want to have $5 million in retirement. And there's actually nothing wrong with a lot of the action steps that you're probably following to achieve that goal. The number one reason why most people are failing on their financial plan, number one, they're following a proposal, not really a plan, but the number one reason is because they're actually not playing the role that they need to. So let me explain what that means. Look, we're all playing roles in life. Like when I'm parenting, I have to play the role of a parent. When I'm a friend to somebody, I have to play the role of a friend. If I'm operating a business, I have to play the role of a business owner, so that we're all playing certain roles at certain times. Well, if we're following the principle that your household is a business, then you have to play a certain role in that. What is that role? You have to make sure that you are operating as the chief financial officer of the household. Now, the reason why most people fail financially is they never actually adopt what that role is. So if you look at any organization, any business, it has someone that is in control of the money. It has someone that is saying, these are the goals, these are the directions that we're going, this is how we're going to acquire money, control money, and expand money. There's always someone that is designated to do that. Well, your household is no different. There are characteristics, there are attitudes, there are actions that you need to adopt so that you can play that role effectively. And the reason why you tend to fail is because you never really adopted that. It's like an actor in a movie. You know, when you see a really, really good actor, he's assuming that role. He becomes the character. So if you want to have financial success in your plan, you want to see that it sticks and you want to see that you're making progress, the number one thing that you have to do is assume the identity of the household chief financial officer, know what your roles and responsibilities are, and I promise you, if you do that, you will see much more success in following your financial plan. Thanks again for watching this video. I really hope it had an impact on you and can help you in some way. And if it did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share this. And if you want to, tell me what you want to hear from us. Like, give me a financial topic that we can talk about, that we can do in further videos. And what I really want you to do, most importantly, I want you to take some action. I want you to contact us, contact an Econologics specialist, schedule an appointment so that you can start your road towards financial improvement. It's not going to happen by itself. You need to take some action, and we're definitely here to help you. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you later.